Hi guys, Pop Stitch here. So today we will be unboxing a couple of Funko Shop exclusive pops. So tara, simulan na natin. So we have T-Rail here from Diablo. So we're gonna get one. What else do we have here? Oh, latest ones from Dragon Ball Z line. Oh, this one glows in the dark. Metallic Gohan. Fluct Champa. Who else? Oh, Caulifla. My Hero Academia Izuku Midoriya, the metallic one. Adam Warlock. This looks cool. Care Bears. Who's this one? America Care Bears. Good Luck Bear. Grumpy Bear. Oh, this Grumpy Bear here is a flocked one. It has a different sticker. Oh, what sticker is it? Yeah, Box Lunch exclusive. We actually got these pops here a week ago, but we didn't have enough time to unbox them until today. And actually, these ones here are a mix of Funko Shop exclusive ones and some new common pops. So let's start. The first one that we have here is TJ from the Spastic Plastic line, number 21. So there you can see we've got the Pop Culture sticker there because we got this from Pop Culture. So there, have a closer look of the box. There on the side, you can just see, he's full picture, like his whole body picture, and right there at the back, you can see this plastic logo there, and his name printed on it. So let's check this one out. There's actually two variants of TJ here. The first one, I believe they released it a year ago. And this is the latest one. So, yeah. Right, this one's kind of heavy. So just have a closer look of this one. Yeah, so you can see he is wearing a really big hat there with beautiful patterns printed around it. And I really love the combination of its color. So we have the black and purple and also those mint green. Looks like it's mint green. His bottle and the tips of his hair and mustache. And also just by looking at him, it reminds me of the characters in the movie The Book of Life and Coco. So he looks similar to Ernesto de la Cruz there. And the one from The Book of Life, I forgot the name of the main character, but he looks similar to it as well. And another thing that I've noticed, his eyes, it's kind of indented. This TJ here is actually the first pop from this Spastic Plastic line that we have from our collection here. And when the Funko released this TJ here, especially this variant, I got really excited and got really interested because he reminds me of the characters from the movie Coco, like what I've said earlier, because it is one of my favorite Disney Pixar movies. So yeah, really love this one. So yeah, there's a lot of amazing details printed on his face as well. So yeah. Actually, I'm hoping that Funko will release a glow-in-the-dark version of this, and I'm really gonna get that one. So there you go, guys. Oh, and I forgot to mention, guys, this TJ here easily got sold out from the Funko shop. Like, I think it just lasted for a couple of minutes. I don't know exactly how many minutes, but it's less than an hour. So when the Pop Culture announced that they will be having their own exclusive of this one, we really get in there, like, check it in store because we missed it online as well. So yeah, we're lucky. Right, so let's move on to the next pop that we have here. So I'm just gonna unbox a common pop, and it's a pop game, so just have a guess. It's from Diablo. It's Tyrael, number 600. So yep, just have a closer look of the box. There at the back. I really love that picture of him there at the back. He looks really cool there. And we have the special edition sticker there. So yep, let's see this one. There's another version of this Tyrael here, and I believe it was released a couple of years ago. I'm not really sure exactly what year was that, but yeah, this is the latest version of him. This one's really cool. Just have a closer look. Just a short background of who he is for those of you who are wondering. He is from the video game Diablo, like what I've said earlier. And in there, he is an Archangel of Justice who created a Brotherhood of Horadrim, which is composed of mages and wizards, to combat the three prime evils, Diablo, Mephisto, and Baal. So going back in this Funko Pop version of him, I really love his metallic armor. It's greatly detailed. And right there at the back, you can see he's got his wings because, yeah, he's an Archangel. And yeah, he looks really cool. I like his pose too. And also, there you can see, it looks like he's actually floating. So yeah, there you go. Right, so let's move on to the next pop that we have here. And it's an exclusive pop. And there, it's the Share Bear with Cloud Mobile. So we've got the Pop Culture sticker there, like the TJ, because we've got this from Pop Culture. So just have a closer look of the box. There, yeah, at the back you can see there's 6 more characters or 6 more bears there. So we have Cheer Bear, we have Tenderheart Bear, Grumpy Bear, Love-A-Lot Bear, Good Luck Bear, and Funshine Bear. So let's check this one out. This is huge. All right. There are some inserts here. There, look at that beautiful rainbow. And Mr. Sun, he's smiling. So, yeah. I'm really excited to get this one. This is actually the first Pop Rides that we have. Oh, it's kind of heavy. He looks really cute. So just have a closer look. So this one is already sold out from the Funko shop, and fortunately, Pop Culture also released their own exclusive of this one, just like the TJ earlier. That's why we got this one. And for those of you who still wants to get this, I believe it's still available through their website, so you better check that one out. So you really need to get this one, especially those who are collecting the Care Bears line. So yeah, this one is really a great addition to your collection. And yeah. Oh, I just noticed, even its stand, it's not just an ordinary stand. It's actually shaped into a heart. Yeah, that's really cool. Right, so going back on the top, I really love all of its colors. First, I love the Share Bear because she's purple. And going onto her Cloud Mobile, it actually has a face on the front. It's smiling at you. I can see a pair of eyebrows there and a pair of eyelashes. It looks like she's smiling at you. And also, I noticed those stars as her headlights. So yeah, I really love this one. It looks really adorable. Like both of her and the Cloud Mobile. So they look really friendly. I really love this one. There you go. Right, so let's move on to the next pop that we have here. The next one is not an exclusive pop, but it's a new one. And yeah, it's from the Marvel 80th year anniversary. It's Adam Warlock number 618. So yeah, we got the special edition sticker there. So just have a closer look of the box. There at the back, you can see how he looks like in the comics. So let's check this one out. Oh, this one is a bubble head. Yeah, because it's Marvel, that's why it is bubble head. There, have a closer look of him. This Adam Warlock here, I don't think he appears in any of the Marvel movies yet, but I just did a little bit of research. They said he was first seen in the 1967 comics of the Fantastic Four, and the reason why we got him is because he looks really cool. I like his pose, and especially that Infinity Gauntlet that he's wearing. So yeah, he looks really cool. What do you guys think of him? I also thought that he's Captain Marvel. I don't know why, but how about you guys? But I think at first sight, I thought he is Captain Marvel. So let's move on to the last pop that we have here. So I assume that you already know what it is. It is an exclusive pop. So let me show it to you. So it's from the Pop Mates line. The number 26, the Pegasus. We also got the Pop Culture sticker there because we got this from Pop Culture. So just have a closer look of the box. Right there at the back, you can see there's a short description of what the Pegasus is. So let me read it to you guys. So it says, renowned in Greek mythology, the winged Pegasus is said to have carried thunderbolts for Zeus. The mighty steed also allowed Bellerophon to ride him into battle against the monstrous Chimera, ensuring a swift victory. So yeah, let's check this one out. Right, so it also has this something like a landscape there. So I also loved all of these colors. Yeah, got purple, yellow, and some mountain there. Right. All right. So this Pegasus here is already sold out from the Funko shop, as you already know. So we're really lucky that the Pop Culture also released their own exclusive of this one. Going back in this Pegasus here, I like the combination of its colors, like the blue and white. It looks really neat, and overall it looks really cool, but I think it will look much cooler if he is standing with this wings spread wide open. What do you guys think? But anyway, this is still a great addition to your Meets line. And there you go, guys. So you already saw all of the exclusive pops that we've got from our last week's haul, and which one among them is your favorite. So for me, my pick will be this Share Bear with Cloud Mobile here. It is because she looks really adorable, and I like her color purple, and just by looking at her, I'm now starting to think of collecting all of the Care Bears line. So how about you guys? Which one is your pick? Just comment it down below. And if you like our video for today, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. So that's all for today. Bye! Thanks for watching!